What's up everybody, it's Gavin again from ATOLL, and today we're going to be talking about the different pump options that we offer with our boards. The first option that we have is our standard hand pump. This one will come equipped with every purchase of a board that you make, and it's very simple to use. All you have to do is connect this hose to the board, pump it up, and you'll get it done in less than 10 minutes. Now, if pumping up your board manually isn't for you, we've got you covered. The second option that we have available to you guys is the Shark 2. This one's gonna be perfect for those of you that like to pump up your board next to your car. Whether you're at a marina, a parking lot, whatever you have, you can plug it in. This one's really nice because it has a auto shut-off feature that as soon as your board hits the maximum amount of PSI that it needs, it'll shut off, so you don't have to worry about it overdoing it. These pumps have a deflate mode as well. This is really nice so that once you're done with your paddle, it makes packing up much simpler. The pump will suck all the air out of the board, making it as flat as possible and as easy to roll up as possible, and also it'll fit in more places. Last but not least is our final option. We have the Outdoor Master Shark 3. Now this one is my personal favorite for a lot of different reasons. This battery powered pump allows you to inflate your board pretty much anywhere you want. And because it's battery powered, you can actually inflate up to 3 boards on one singular charge, meaning that you can keep this thing in your car and use it for multiple adventures. If you're the kind of person that likes to make your paddling experience far out, and maybe you want to hike to where you're going, or somewhere that you can't park, this is going to be an absolute must need for you. Just like the Shark 2, it also has the same feature that it automatically shuts off when it's reached the maximum amount of PSI going into your board. So you can kind of set it and forget it. Now, if you want to make your adventure even more flexible, go to atollboards.com and pick up one of these pumps today.